In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air filter bracket on your Echo trimmer. The air filter bracket allows you to secure the air filter as well as the air filter cover to your trimmer. Accidentally over-tightening the knob on the air filter cover can lead to stripping the threads on the air filter bracket. Replacing it is easy to do, and we're going to show you how. Air filter brackets as well as many other parts can be found on our website. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now I'll remove the two screws that secure each piece of the intake assembly to the engine. Now I can replace the air filter bracket. I'll insert the screws through the bracket, then the brackets and screws through the air cleaner base, thread the screws through the carburetor, and last I'll install the intake gasket. Now this whole assembly will go back onto the motor. Now install our air filter. I like to place it into the air filter cover and this assembly back onto the trimmer.